The sage now went to the south wind. He said to the south wind, "You are the most powerful in the world, and my daughter is the most beautiful girl on earth. Please marry her." The south wind replied, "Your daughter is certainly a lovely girl and is more beautiful than other girls on the earth, but I am not the most powerful person in the world. The king of mountains is more powerful than me. He can stop me easily. Therefore, the king of mountains is the right person who should marry your lovely daughter." The sage went to the white palace of snow in the north and offered his daughter to the king of the mountains. He said, "You are quiet, peaceful, and strong. The south wind says you are the most powerful person in the world. Please marry my daughter." The king of mountains replied, "I am too big and heavy to move. I am too old to marry. The king of the mice is younger than me and is much more powerful. He makes holes all over my body. In my opinion, he is the right person to be your son-in-law." The sage went to the king of the mice and offered to give his daughter. The king of the mice felt happy and accepted the proposal and said, "I am too small to marry your daughter." But the sage felt happy and offered to convert the king of the mice into a young man. The mouse thanked him and said, "I am happy with my life, but the difficulty is that your daughter is too big to enter my palace." The sage realized the difficulty of marrying his daughter to the king of the mice. He turned the girl into a she-mice by the power of his yoga. The king of the mice married her and they lived happily ever after.